Ryan here. For Silly Reviews, I've got a really cool and interesting product right here. I think this product is going to be super duper handy. The link is going to be in the description. What we have here, sold by Idealife. Again, link in the description. Is a solar powered, waterproof 10 LED light. Really cool. We're going to go ahead and just pop the top immediately on here. If you see what I did right here, I pop the top and then I boom bop. We're gonna pull it out. Now check this out, check this out. This thing not only has your utility hook right here, on the back boop bap, there are magnets in here. So you can stick this to things that are metal and it will magnetize and stick to it, okay? Or you can just hang it, you can get your hang on. Now this is 100% solar powered, which means when you run out of battery, you're going to have to juice this up by the power of our beautiful sun, okay? Ooh, my light just fell. So on the back here, here's a boot bap right here. You've got your power indicator. It's gonna let you know how much juice you have in here. You got your power button right here, okay? What comes through, the way it's waterproof, okay? The way it's waterproof is it's got this thick plastic enclosure. Really cool. I think this would be super handy for anybody who goes camping, hiking, or what I don't see mentioned enough on the product page, link in the description, is for like automotive, or like mechanics. If you have to do some work on your car, you pop the top on your car, your hood, boom bop, and then you can use the power of these lights. And I can show you really quickly on here. 4 settings, okay? You got that setting, you got more light, you got crazy amounts of light, too much light. And then you hit it one more time, SOS, somebody save me, okay? Now, really amazing, you can see here, my battery indicator says I have 2 dots of power out of 4. So what that means is I need to let this sit in the sun for a while. You can put this on your dashboard of your car, and as long as it's parked out in sunlight, it'll charge up. Minimal effort. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring in a buddy of mine, got him to help me with this review. And his name's Daryl. He's a master car detailer. We're gonna find out if he thinks that the Idealife waterproof, solar powered 10 LED light is a good deal. Let's check in with him. Uranus. All right, we're out here in the dark. We're gonna do a real world test on here. I'm gonna give the master detail man, his name is Daryl. You've seen him in a video last year. I'm gonna let him try it out and we're gonna see what he thinks. So what we're gonna do, that power button at the top, let's give it max power. Let's hit it 3 times. What you think about that, Daryl?
That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, I like
you think that would come in handy? It's got the little hook on it, it's got some magnets.
Oh yeah, like, look how it look on the wheels there.
Point it away from it.
Oh, yeah.
Now point it back on it. It's not bad. What do you think though?
I think it's awesome.
If you had to give it 2 thumbs up, would you give it 2 thumbs up? That'll work.
Yeah, man.
There you go. There you have it from Daryl, best detailer in Louisiana.
Look, hanging on like that.
You can look, he said you could wear it as a chain.
Yeah.
Let him know where you're at. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews.